Okay, this is a short today. My baby back ribs. I put 1/3 cup of onions chopped. Took off the back of the skin off of the back of the ribs. Cut each one in pieces. Added 1 bottle of barbecue sauce, honey, or you can use Baby Ray's, either one. And then 1 bottle, 16 ounce, 0.9 bottle of water. Hot water, I boiled it. Then I added 2 capsfuls of liquid smoke. Then I added salt and black pepper. 4 teaspoons of Memphis style barbecue seasoning. 2 tablespoons of onion soup mix. 2 tablespoons of minced onions. Okay. And then I put them in the slow cooker. I cooked them 4 to 6 hours on high. Or you can cook 6 to 8 hours on low. Then you take the ribs out. Put them on a baking sheet. And then you spread some honey barbecue or Baby Ray's on it. And then bake them in the oven at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. And then enjoy. Make corn on the cob and baked beans and coleslaw to go with it. This is what our ribs look like. Here's the seasoning I used for the 4 teaspoons of Memphis style barbecue sauce seasoning. That's it. Don't them look so good? I only paid $8.50 for 13 ribs. Thanks for watching. Push the like button, subscribe button if you ain't already. And see you later. Please share the recipe. Thanks for watching. Bye.